Hey guys! Today we are doing National Geographic Build Your Own Volcano. This is the plaster we're going to use to make the volcano. These are 2 bags of eruption powder, 1 volcano mold, a wooden star stick, 3 colors of paint, and where is it? 2 volcanic specimens. I forgot what it's called, but I guess that's what it is.
Okay, so we have a bowl. So we have to make the what is it called? The mold?
Yeah, the mold, and we're gonna pour the plaster into water.
Yeah, and put it. Put it in a bowl with some water, mix it around, and then we have to put in this thing.
Yeah. So put some water in it. Okay.
Is that too much water?
It doesn't say how much water.
I bet if I read it right now, it's going to tell me how much water needs to be in there.
Okay. You know.
What'd it say?
1 cup something water.
1 cup 250 millimeters of water into another disposal container. Yeah, I told you. Alright, now we have the cup of water in the bowl.
Now we gotta pour
all of it.
I
I thought you read the instructions.
No. Okay.
This.
Okay. Add your plaster to the water. Okay. Yeah, we're supposed to pour the whole thing. Top pour? You just put the water in there without me. Did you see that dust?
Yeah.
Dust just flew out of there. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Here we go. We're ready. Did you say a little bit?
No, it said it could pour all of it.
Okay. Carefully mix. Here, let me see. Got on me. Well, do something, cause once this dry, it's gonna be hard. It's like cement.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Don't open it yet.
Yeah, we have water.
Okay, so gotta.
I'm gonna take it.
Carefully sit for 30 to 40
Heaven, if you're watching
minutes.
this, she actually
Once
mean,
the
but
plaster
she's nice
has
to
set,
you. So.
completely remove the mold and use your tap.
Pour all of it?
I guess, I don't know.
Well, I guess that.
The whole volcano gonna blow up? Hold up, wait a minute. Is it?
No.
Anyway, so
Right over there is the volcano that is going to erupt in a few hours. Okay.
We are back.
Yep.
Left this in the oven for about 30 minutes. Not that long. 30 minutes.
Yeah, but
Maybe more, but and yeah.
Yes.
I'm excited.
Me too. Oh my goodness, the drink. Oh. Look at it. Oh,
Look at that, guys.
it's a volcano.
That's so cool.
Can it take the whole?
Now we are gonna paint the volcano.
Yellow.
I know.
It looks good. You know,
Dude,
don't overdo it though.
I don't know, cycle.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Get out.
Story.
We suggest you make your volcano erupt on
on a baking sheet or some
If it's to blow up.
No, you're not supposed to put it in yet. Pour it all in.
Oh, it's blowing up. Okay, I think that's enough.
Are we supposed to pour all of it?
I don't know. Sonny, you didn't read the directions?
I read it, but I didn't read it.
Oh, what do don't worry.
Okay, pour the water in.
Wait, hold on.
Alright, so pour some more in there.
Now pour it in there. Okay.
It's not gonna explode everywhere.
But it's gonna go on.
No, it's
Okay.
not.
Are you sure?
Let's see.
Yeah.
If this don't work, I'm gonna be embarrassed.
So.
Okay.
Oh! It's done it! And put some more in it. Put some more.
Alright. Sorry, do you got some more stuff in yours?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll pour some in there. Pour it in there. Oh.
Yeah, Sonny.
So cool, so cool, so cool, so cool.
What? Did you see Bucky?
Yeah.
Y'all supposed to put all that in at first, wasn't it?
Probably so. So you're not pouring it on there? Yeah.
All right, y'all. Well, good job.
What if it was actually hot?
It's hot.
You lying. Oh, that's the...
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna stain my fingers.
We need to wipe this up quick.
Okay.
Yeah, I was swimming.
Cool. Awesome.
Anyway, make sure you like,
subscribe. Like.
peace
Out.